The pandemic has undoubtedly caused stress and anxiety for many teachers and students, from juggling virtual and in-person learning to fear of getting loved ones sick with COVID-19. That's why researchers are suggesting schools amp up their mental health support services. Here's Julia Kaufman.
The University of South Carolina and 3 other schools conducted a national survey on teacher and student wellness. Of the roughly 2,100 teachers that responded, almost half said they're noticing mental health issues in students more often than before the pandemic. 55% said they're handling student wellness issues themselves.
Every 6 in 10 teachers reported that their students' sort of trauma and wellness concerns kind of caused them personal levels of distress, and really talked about how it negatively impacted kind of their social, emotional, psychological well-being.
Dr. Aiden Iacchini is an associate professor at USC's College of Social Work. She and other researchers conducted this survey to shine light on the psychological toll the pandemic is taking on teachers and their students.
Teachers are not necessarily trained in all aspects of mental health, right? That's why there's mental health professionals. So providing some of those that information, I think, to teachers to say, when you see this within a student, this is a perfect time to refer to a helping professional that can sort of take it over from there.
The report says teachers who received mental health training from school were more likely to handle stress better, effectively teach students that live with adversity, and know how to handle student wellness concerns. Richland One, for example, says they have a contract with Columbia Area Mental Health to help identify students in crisis. They added that their school counselors host regular workshops on self-care for students and staff, including one specifically on pandemic-related stress. Out of South Carolina's 1,269 public schools, the Department of Education says there are 2,276 school counselors, 559 psychologists, and 223 social workers. The agency added that over 800 schools provide services through the Department of Mental Health. Julia Kaufman, News 19, WLTX.
The study gave recommendations for teachers to alleviate stress, including reaching out to school administration for help, knowing your school's mental health resources for students, and practicing self-care.